In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page on GoDaddy Website Builder. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. From your account dashboard, go to My Products and open the website that you want to edit in Website Builder. Once the site loads, click Edit Website to open the editor. Inside the editor, open the Pages panel. This is where you can manage the pages on your site. Click Add Page, then choose Landing Page from the available page types. After that, enter a name for your new landing page and click Create Page. The new page will now be added to your website. Next, open the landing page inside the editor so you can begin customizing it. Click the headline section and replace the default text with your own heading. Make sure the heading clearly explains the purpose of the page. Then update the subheading and body text so the message matches your offer, service, or campaign. If the page includes images, you can add new ones or replace the existing images using the image editing options. Choose visuals that fit the message of the page and support the action you want visitors to take. You can also customize the page layout by using the available section controls. This lets you adjust how content is arranged on the page. After that, open the Website Design panel to change fonts, colors, and other design settings. Use styles that match your brand and keep the page easy to read. If you need more content, add extra sections such as text blocks, images, forms, buttons, or contact details. This is useful if you want to collect leads, share more information, or guide visitors toward a specific next step. Change the button text so it clearly tells visitors what to do, and update the destination link so it sends them to the correct page, form, or contact option. Then arrange and resize the page elements until the layout looks clean and balanced. When the page is ready, use the preview option to see how it will appear to visitors. Review all text, images, buttons, and links carefully. Check that everything is accurate and displays properly. If needed, return to the editor and make any final adjustments. Once you are satisfied, click Publish to make the landing page live on your website. After publishing, open the live page and confirm that all content appears correctly and that every link works as expected. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.